If you're looking for a quick yoga practice using simple stretches to help reset your body and your mind, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jessi, holistic fitness and yoga trainer, here to share tools that allow you to take your health into your own hands. Today's practice is perfect to use as a little break during your workday. These beginner-friendly stretches will help you release anxious energy and allow you to feel more grounded in your body. And if you enjoy my style of teaching and want to learn more about yogic philosophy, maybe even learn how to become a yoga teacher, I've co-created a hybrid 200-hour yoga teacher training, and I've added all that information in the description below. Take a moment to prepare your space, remove distractions the best you can, and all you need for your practice today is some floor space to sit down on. Maybe you roll out a yoga mat, and if you happen to have a pillow or a folded blanket, something to sit on, that will be really helpful for our practice too. And once you've gathered what you needed and prepared your space, let's get ready to stretch. Find your way to a seated position, legs out in front of you with your knees bent. Hold on to your legs and take a moment to walk out your sit bones and really lengthen the spine nice and tall. Inhale as you lift your chest, pull on your legs a little bit to lift your heart and roll your shoulders back. And then exhale, we're going to round the spine, pull the belly in, and rock back. And let's do that again. So we call these seated cat-cows. Inhale, lifting the heart, shoulders back. Exhale, and we're going to round the spine. Nice, do that again. Your hands can grab the back of your thighs. They could also come to the front of the shins. Just find whatever grip feels good for you, and you can move those hands as needed. But really trying to get your spine to move from the hips all the way up through the neck, up into the head. Big inhale as you open your heart. You do a little back bend. Exhale as you round the spine. Connecting your movement with your breath. Inhale. Arch the back. Make it a big noisy breath. And then exhale. Go ahead and round and stretch it out. Drop your head. Let's do that one more time. Just saying hello to the body. Taking this much needed break from your day to breathe deep, to slow down, connect with your body. And then find your way to seated. And you're going to extend your right leg out and fold your left knee in. So the sole of your left foot is kind of on the inside of that right thigh. Now bend your right knee a little bit. Again, take a moment to organize so you're right on top of your sit bones. Reach your arms up over your head with a big breath. Give yourself a cactus elbow, spread your fingers, and then arms are going to reach up and we're going to fold over the right leg. Keep that right knee bent. Grab onto whatever part of the leg you can. Relax your head. We got 3 big breaths here, breathing into the back of the body. And a big audible exhale. Relaxing the shoulders, softening your face. And do that again. Big breath in. This is your much needed reset. Exhale it all out. We're going to do one more breath here. Breathe into the back and sides of your ribs. There's plenty of space back there. But this time as you exhale, pull your belly button in. We're going to roll the spine up. Your head is the last thing up. Now take your arms up again. Big breath. Get tall. Drop your right arm down. Soften your elbow and your shoulder. Left arm reaches up and over. Keep that left hip planted. Relax the shoulders, smile the collarbones. Take a big breath into this open left rib cage. And then exhale, bring it back to center. Let's do the other side. Left arm drops down, soften the elbow, the shoulder. Right arm's gonna reach up and over. You find what feels good. If this extended right arm doesn't feel good for your shoulder, bend the elbow. That's fine. Just open up this right rib. Big breath, and as you exhale, bring it back to center. Both arms up. Get as tall as you can. Anchor into the hips. And then we're going to twist to the right. The right arm goes behind you. Left hand comes down and grabs the outer right thigh. Now press your hips down. Sit up as tall as you can. Shoulders down. Open your heart. Lift up through the crown of your head. And slowly turn your head to look over your right shoulder. Now we're going to stay here. Press your hips down. Lift up through the spine. We don't need to yank anything. Just focus on finding length. And slowly bring it back to center. Arms reach up. Let's twist the other way. Left arm goes behind you. Right hand tries to grab that left thigh. Sit up tall. This is about length here. We're not yanking anything. We're not forcing anything. Just creating some space through the spine. Remember to breathe. One more time. Inhale to sit up tall. Exhale, looking over that shoulder. Bring yourself back to center. Arms go nice and wide. Spread your fingers. Shoulders are down. We're going to flip that right thumb down and then roll the head to the left. Oh, now lots of chaos gets caught up in the neck and shoulders. So take a big breath. Big open mouth exhale. And then bring your head back to center. Let's do the other side. Left thumb down. Roll your head to the right. Take a big breath. We want an open mouth exhale to release all that chaos that gets caught up in the jaw and neck area. Ooh. And then bring it back to center. Take your left hand behind you, kind of behind this left thigh a little bit. We're going to point the right toes and reach that right arm up. Now, I often like to roll my right wrist, roll my right ankle, just as I stretch it out. And take a big breath. Now, you could stay here and just enjoy this kind of yawn through the side body. Or, if you would like a little more, bend your right knee so your right foot's on the floor. Make sure that left hand behind you, fingers are spread wide, it's nice and supportive. And you can take your hips up, reaching that right arm up and back. Take a big breath, open your heart, maybe smile a little bit, feel and enjoy the stretch. And then we'll slowly release and bring it back. And then we'll find the other side. So switching legs, extend your left leg, fold your right knee in. Take a moment, find your sit bones, reach your arms up, take a big breath, bend that left knee. Because as we fold, we want to make sure that we're folding with our whole spine, or as much as our whole spine as we can. It's not about touching the toes, so keep that knee bent. We got 3 breaths here, just grabbing onto whatever part of your leg you can grab onto. You might even flex your left toes up to the sky just to stretch the calf and the heel. Breathing into the back of the body, big audible exhale. And this is the best thing that you could do for yourself right now. Take a breath. Give your mind a break. There's no problem you need to solve right now. There's just this, just breathing into this body. One more exhale. Draw your core muscles in. Let's go ahead and roll it up. Head's the last piece up at the top, shoulders back, and the head lifts. Take your arms up. Let's go into those side stretches. Left arm down, soften the elbow, the shoulder, right arm up and over. Remember, if the extended arm doesn't feel good, just bend the elbow. Take a big breath. If your arm is up, you could rotate your wrist. Exhale, bring it back to center. Let's do the other side. Keep those hips grounded. We're going to reach up and over. You find what feels good. Taking any variations, finding any organic movement that really stretches your body out. And then exhale, bring it back to center. Both arms up, lift and lengthen through the spine. We're going to twist to the left. Left arm goes behind you. Right hand comes down to grab that left thigh. Take a moment to ground into the lower half. Anchor in and then lift up. It's about length. It's not about forcing any sort of twist here. Inhale, lifting through the crown of your head. Maintain that length as you exhale and look over that left shoulder. Bring it back to center. Arms reach up. We're going to do the other side, so twisting to the right. Wherever you are is perfect. Just breathe. Find your length. Becoming a little more aware of how you hold your body. Relax your shoulders. And then slowly bring it back to center. Bring your arms up over your head. Give yourself another cactus elbow. Roll your wrists. Lift your heart. And then arms reach up, palms touch, hands come down to your heart. Spread your fingers really wide. Lift your elbows, so we're stretching out our wrists a little bit. Now, often when we lift those elbows, the shoulders want to come up too. So keep those shoulders down. And then flip your fingers either away from your body or they can point down if that feels good. Keep actively pressing the palms together. Stretch out the hands, spread the fingers, press the pads of the fingers together. Shoulders down. Now we're going to tilt right ear to right shoulder. Relax the jaw, smooth out the eyebrows, and then roll the chin to the chest. And then tilting left ear to left shoulder. Shoulders down. Lift your heart, breathe. And then chin to chest. Now interlace your fingers, flip your palms forward. Arms are going to come up overhead. Keep your shoulders down. Bend your elbows and pull the biceps towards the back of the ears. Feel the front of your chest getting a good stretch. And then take a big breath. Let the front of the ribs, front of the chest expand. Releasing the hands, rotate the wrists, and bring the arms all the way down. Take your right hand, bring it behind your right thigh. Make sure you're spreading the fingers. Point the left toes, left arm reaches up. This might be your stretch. Just yawn it out. Find what feels good. Or if you would like more, bend your left knee, put your left foot on the floor. We're going to shoot those hips up, reaching that left arm up and back. Big inhale, big open mouth exhale. Ooh. And then slowly we'll bring the hips down. Bend both knees, put both feet on the floor, feet a little wider than your hips, and take your hands behind you. Just fingertips on the ground behind you. We'll do a few windshield wipers. Knees fall over to the right and gently turning your head to the left, maybe even pulling that left shoulder back a little bit. Bring it back to center. Now, flex your toes up. So we're putting some energy in the ankles, which will help protect the knees. Knees fall over to the other side. You don't have to force it. Just sit up tall, find your angle, find your shape, lift your heart, look over in the opposite direction. Bring it back to center. Take a big breath. Let's do that again. Knees fall right, head turns left. You might soften your eyes. Just take a breath. And then slowly bring it back to center. Let's do one more time. Other side. This is your much needed break. Soak it in and slow it down. Bring it back to center. One more stretch. We're going to go soles of the feet together and knees wide. Grab onto your ankles as you press the heels together, press the outer edges of your feet together, flex your toes back. And I'm wiggling side to side just because for me, my hips get tight and I have to take a moment to kind of lengthen my spine as I open the knees. So, you might need to take a moment and wiggle it out, and that's fine. Take a big breath, lift your heart. And if it feels good, use your arms to help pull your chest forward. You take this at whatever level you need to. Your elbows can be, kind of pressing along the inner thighs to open up the knees. And eventually, just go ahead and relax your head. Big breath. Hello, body. Slow down that exhale. This is my much needed reset. Take another breath. In my willingness to just feel and be present with my body without judgment or criticism, I'm freeing up so much energy. Energy that I'll be able to use for my mental clarity, for my mental health, to find balance. One more big breath. Slowly come on up, hands to the outer thighs. You're going to close your knees up like a book. And you're going to wrap your forearms around your shins and just kind of give yourself a hug. Drop your head in between your knees. Now, to end our practice today, I invite you to take a moment and think of 3 things that you're grateful for. Gratitude is a very powerful energy to bring in. And gratitude and appreciation, it just has a way of really harmonizing all of our systems. So for each thing that you're grateful for, I want you to breathe it in and just breathe in those feelings of appreciation, of a gratefulness. As you give yourself this hug and allow every cell in your body to vibrate at that high frequency of gratitude. One more big breath. Grateful for this body. Grateful for this break out of your day. And then find your way into a comfortable, easy seated position, whatever that looks like for you. I invite you to take a hand to your heart. If it feels good, maybe a hand to your abdomen or just hand resting in the lap. Soften your eyes. Give yourself a big smile, even if it's a fake one. And tell yourself thank you. Thank you for taking this time out of your day to center yourself, to calm your nerves, to give your mind a break from solving problems. Take a big breath. Feel your body breathing. Let your smile shine. And know that you can take this connection to your center, this connection to your energy with you as you go back out into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your time and your practice with me. You are complete.